barbers are an essential business. Just saying. Greetings and salutations. Well, for the next couple of weeks, I'm going to have to upload small, short videos, complete with all the mess ups and everything, because I don't have a computer to edit on. I can use my son's computer, which is about 8 years old, and that ain't gonna work. Not only that, but it seems to have a mind of its own and disconnects from the internet whenever. So it's going to make uploading virtually impossible. So I'm using my phone and I'm uploading short videos. So I'm here in the bus today, working on some tile. I gotta tell you, penny tile was a mistake. It looks good, but it was a friggin' mistake. This is the fourth full day that I've been working on penny tile. And yesterday, let me just show you what the hell I did here. So it looks even worse in the camera, but it doesn't look that bad. You can see the little raised spots. But anyway, along that top edge, there was a metal angle that the original, there was like a chase that screwed onto that metal that the ceiling clipped into, and then there was that little metal chase that went on there. And I left that on there to define the top of the wall. So that little metal chase right there, yeah, see it? That little metal thing there? That's the top of the wall. Well, it has a little 90-degree lip on it, and it's stuck proud of this right here. You can see there's a piece of it right there. Kinda. And when I got to the top row of tile, it was just sticking down far enough where it would interfere with that and close that gap. Well, I got a grinder. I just grabbed my grinder and freaking grind it off. And let me show you what happened to the tile that's not there anymore. It's over here in the trash. I'm an idiot. That's the sparks from the grinder. It just etched right into the surface of the tile. So I screwed up about, I don't know, 14 pieces of tile. I had to take off all the way down to this. Some of them still are messed up. You can see a little bit there. Even right here. But I'm not taking all them tiles off. Otherwise, if I took all the tile off that have little sparks etched into them, I'd have to buy a whole nother box of tile. But I've got, what, 3 boxes of this subway tile, and I got that far. This whole wall is done, and that wall to there. And I counted up the penny tile that I'm going to need to finish here. I've got 19 tiles left, and I figure I need 10, at least 10, to do this bottom row, which only leaves me, if I use, that leaves me 9 tiles to finish this wall and this here. I don't think I'm going to have enough. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this wall out in the subway tile, and then this and the bottoms of there will be the penny tile. I know you can see, like right there, you can see where there's a screw behind it. And I mean, if you get up close to it, you can see it, but it doesn't stick out nearly as bad as it does in the camera. Yeah, anyway. So, you know, I did this yesterday. I put these pieces in, these 2 pieces, and this 1 piece. And now, I'm gonna clean up some of this trash in here and get what I don't need out of here, and sweep this floor up, and Yeah. So what I need to get, I need to get some 3/4 inch ply for this right here. I need, can't see it. It's behind here. I got another drawer under here I need to finish out. I've been kind of waiting on that to, I've been waiting on that. Oh, I need to trim this out before I finish that out. And I need to build a door for up here. It's gonna have a door on it, kind of like those there. And I need to pick up, at least two more boxes of that subway tile and get that in. And God, I'm so glad when the bathroom is done. Then I need to get some grout and do some grouting. And I hope they open a freaking barbershop sometime soon. It's getting hot. And this is no fun when it's hot. It's not so bad in the wintertime when it's cold, but when it's hot, it's uncomfortable. Oh, so let me come back when I got this bus cleaned up a little bit, all right? Okay. All right, a little better, not a whole lot, but put a desk right here and figure out what I'm going to do about this. Oh, I'm so glad this thing has air conditioning. Oh, it would be brutal without it. Anyway, I'm plugging away at it. I'm just working on it as I can, and I need to get some more tiles so I can finish that. And just doing little odds and ends. I need to figure out what the hell I'm going to do about this. I got 3 boxes of this flooring left. I don't know what to do with it. I hate to throw it away. Maybe I'll line the closets with it. Anyway. I hope you're doing well wherever you're at, and let's hope this is all over with soon, because it's getting to be a little bit ridiculous. But anyway, that's all I got today. Like I said, my computer's down, so it's going to be hit and miss with the content for the next few weeks until I can get that up and running. But if you want to expedite that process and you buy stuff on Amazon, check the links in the description for Amazon affiliate links. If you want to throw me a couple of bucks, there's a PayPal link, and if you want to support this channel on a monthly basis, there's a Patreon link. Check those out, see if that's anything you're willing to do. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the little bell icon that's right next to it. Click all your notifications so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. If you like this video, smash the like button and share it with your vast social media network. Until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep it powder dry, and have a splendid day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Diesel Freak out. Bye.